Now let's look at the nutritional value and let's see how it comes that whey supplements or milk supplements only have 16% of net nitrogen utilization. Enzyme blend, lactase from the Aspergillus oryzae, old friend of mine. 35 years ago, I was working on this. Lipase from the Rhizopus oryzae, cellulase from Trichoderma longibrachiatum, invertase, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, to make beer. Protease, protease, I've heard this before. Yes, I've been working on this since 1986 with the Nobel laureate Sir John Vane, so I guess I know what I'm talking about when we are talking about proteases. Amylase from the Bacillus subtilis, bromelain. Bromelain is another protease. Papain is another protease, acid-stable protease. So many enzymes, so many proteases. What do proteases do? They cut proteins. They cut proteins into smaller pieces that are called peptides or even amino acids. We have whey protein concentrate, the famous New Zealand. Milk protein concentrate, and let's stop here. So, whey and milk protein, so the best of milk-derived proteins. And now we have the proteases, the enzyme that cut those proteins. You prepared your shake. After my talk, you may decide, you may change the way you prepare your shake. You don't put the ice. Enzymes, they like to work at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 36, body's temperature. You don't put the ice, you prepare the shake, let the enzyme work, and what happens? Instead of having a net nitrogen utilization around 16%, now, after the proteases have worked and the proteins have been clipped into much smaller pieces, now you have a net nitrogen utilization around 90%. 90% net nitrogen utilization. Simple trick. You don't have to buy anything else. Simply let the enzymes work. Enzymes that until today you did not even know they existed. You increase the protein utilization from 15% up to 90%. This means you eat 100 grams of those proteins, 90% will be used. How do we know this? Because we have done experiments. In our laboratory, this is the way, this is a contrast phase microscopy, very sophisticated. You see, these are the caseins. All these proteins, they still retain their shape. After 30 minutes, you see how it is uniform. All the proteins, all the caseins, and the whey proteins have been digested by those enzymes. So if you are patient, you are assuming something that is absolutely different.